Hello friends, I am Dr. Shishir Agrawal and today I am going to talk about forgiveness. Forgiveness is not just a praiseworthy virtue that one ought to display. It is a needed protection for yourself, an antidote for poison that can damage your body and soul. Forgiveness will free you of penalties and shackles of the past mistakes. It is something we all need and for long, and it is required forever. That is why our hearts are touched and our eyes grow moist when we encounter truly great examples of it. In Jainism, Parsuan Parv is a festival of 10 virtues. It starts with Keshma, forgiveness, and concludes on Kashmavani, the day of forgiveness. Forgiveness is the mental, emotional, and spiritual process of overcoming resentment, indignation, or anger against another person for a perceived offense, defense, or mistake, and ceasing to demand punishment. The process of shedding our karmas really begins by asking for forgiveness with true feelings that vow not to repeat mistakes. Forgiveness helps us feel light and get rid of hard feelings that occupy our mind and heart and eat away our peace of mind. People who can readily forgive each other are much more responsible and are more satisfied from inside than those who keep grudges against others and develop feelings of enmity. Those who forgive help create positive energy on the planet. All negative feelings disappear, your heart gets lighter and your vision gets clearer. You realize that by forgiving others, you have done yourself a great favor. It is giving that we receive, it is pardoning that we are pardoned, and it is in dying that we are born to everlasting life. So, dear friends, it is very, very important to learn this technique of forgiving people. It can be your partner in life, it can be your children, it can be your parents, it can be your friends. By forgiving others, we are relieving ourselves of grudges, of negative energy, and lot of positive energy flows through us when we start forgiving others. Recently, I've been reading a lot of news about in newspapers. There is a high increase in domestic violence in homes because of this lockdown, and a lot of divorces are coming up. Please don't do that. Please don't spoil your life. Please forgive your partners. We all have some history. Everybody is born with some history, and we need to overlook a lot of things what have happened in the past, and we need to look for the future, and we need to think positive about the future, that what things we can do to improve our future. Forgiveness is one of the most important thing for your body, mind, and soul to free yourself of the negative grudges and start seeing forward. If we don't forgive somebody and if we are holding the grudges in our mind, we are completely mentally occupied by those feelings, those negative emotions, and because of that negativity, we are not able to think of anything positive, anything good in future. So please free yourself from those negative thoughts, from those things, from past mistakes of your and your loved ones. Please ignore them, please forgive them. Once you forgive them, you will be free of those things and you will be able to think positive for your future and betterment of life. Thank you so much for watching. If you like it, you can share it with others. Bye bye. Have a nice day.